Hey everybody, so I got a new gel blaster from UnlocX. I did one of their pistols recently, and now I have their 4-mode gun here, which is pretty cool. These will shoot 11 rounds per second, and up to 700 rounds for the magazine. Now I already opened it just so I can get some gel blaster, the gel things ready. It does have a little target practice thing if you want to use that. It does come with a bottle where you can actually get your gel things ready. And they come in these little itty bitty little beads. And then they recommend at least 4 hours. I just let this go overnight. That's usually what I do. I prep the night before if I plan to use these guns. And then just let them sit overnight and soak and get nice and full of water. When you shoot something, impact, they'll explode into itty bitty little pieces. And when they dry up, you'll see nothing at all. And if you take these and you just leave them out and they completely dry, they'll turn back to these little itty bitty bead looking things. You do get your USB charger. It is rechargeable. You do have a couple Allen keys. You have your little slider thing for the back. You do have some safety glasses. These can be dangerous, so you just want to be careful who you're shooting at or where you're shooting. You do get this little funnel tool, which this would have been handy with their other gun that I had recently. You got your little user manual. To charge it up, your little port is right here. It's about the same spot on all their guns that I check. The magazine, easy to pop out. Just press that little button on the side here and it'll pull right out. There are little electro thingies that control inside because there's a little mechanism that feeds them up in. You'll be able to easily put the 700 rounds in this here though. Easy snap in. You are going to have little screws, which is what the Allen keys are for, and that's what you're going to use to separate these pieces. All right, when you remove the screws, you'll be able to pull this out pretty easily, and now you're a little bit smaller. And then the next thing, we can also pull this back off. And there we go. Stock is removed, and now we are with like an oversized pistol. So that's pretty cool. You can easily change it. Now, take a look at the gun a little bit more. I also didn't mention that there is a little trigger guard or a safety catch here. You got some power too. Keep that on when you're not going to use it. Anyway, I'm going to put it back together because I actually like the full large gun, but I wanted to show you the different modes that you can do. All right, so I got the gun all loaded up. As you can see, this is pretty much rifle size. This is the largest gel blaster that I have used, but it's pretty cool that you can break it down into the smaller forms. But let's go ahead and let's try it out. So you do got it, oh, there they are. You got to get them to go up in there a little bit. And like I said, when they shoot, they will explode. So let me see if I can find something that exploded on. So like if I shoot the wall, it pretty much explodes into a bunch of itty bitty little pieces, little gel pieces. And when they dry up, they're going to disappear. Now what's pretty cool is that it is fully automatic. You can shoot it all at once. And these batteries do last quite a while. So I mean, you could just go all out. But they're fun, they're cool, just think safety. They do hurt. You can really hurt somebody with these, so definitely wear the glasses if you are going to have any kind of gel blaster war. Anyway, these are the UnlocX guns, and I really like them. This is the second one that I have of theirs, and it's great.